Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news in the market today at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because in the lower time frame it could be really volatile. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and the reason because of which I have marked this level is this unmitigated, or you can say the imbalance in the price over here. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to get back to mitigate this level. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in this move to support the price to move into the bearish side. So this is the weekly chart, and we can clearly see that we have disrespected, not yet, but we are having 3 days and we are below this structure, that is FVG structure. So I'm anticipating now that most likely we are going to have a pullback or something, and then we are going to see a reaction into the downward side. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, we can't see much. Uh, the price has moved vigorously and I can't see anything clear. So let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that the price was sweeping the lows of the previous candles. So I'm anticipating that most likely we can come into the upside area and mitigate this FVG. So let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, I don't see much things, but I can see this FVG being respected into the market. And if this candle gets a close above this previous candle, then most likely I'll be anticipating a move till, where's my, yeah, ruler, this area. So 30 pips will be my target if we are going to get a close above this previous candle structure. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, it confirms the previous 2 hour structure as it is sweeping the lows of the candles. Apart from that, we are also having FVG confluence in the price. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to mitigate this FVG of the on the short. So let's move to the 30 minutes to define our bias. So in the 30 minutes, I'm anticipating that, let's mark it, that this swing, if we get a close above this swing, most likely we are going to get back and then somewhere move into the upside direction. But for now, I'm still waiting for the price to show its hand in the London session. And I'll be waiting for the price to get a close above this previous swing structure. One more reason why am I only choosing this structure is that the price had been sweeping the highs and we were also failing to get a close below the candles level. So most likely this will be the area from where the price is going to move into the further upside direction, and my first target will be this equal highs, and then I'll go for the extreme in this area. So this is pretty much it. Do let me know in the comments if you have doubt with any of the concepts, and thank you for watching.